This isn't a hotel resort. It's someone's backyard. It was designed by the architects at Alderwood Landscaping and built by some of the best craftsmen in the Pacific Northwest. You could have a yard like this too, with a hot tub, a sauna, and a cold plunge. Or maybe even an outdoor kitchen. All designed to bring friends and family outside while increasing the value of your home. If you need help bringing your ideas to life, you can schedule a free consultation with one of our landscape architects at alderwoodlandscaping.com.